This pandemic has shown huge problems for many people, especially those in the travel and tourism industries. Cruise lines from Princess to Viking are suspending operations, Disney World and Disneyland resorts are closing, airlines from American to WestJet has been grounded with borders closed. Hotels and the many tourist attractions reduced to very little business. Did you know that in 2020, the economic loss globally is estimated to be over 20 trillion US dollars in GDP? This isn't my estimation. This is the estimation according to the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Fun fact, this is also the estimation of the YouTube algorithm. I'm just kidding, but if you don't mind just smashing that like button for me, it would help spread the word on this very important topic to the masses. In response, what has the tourism industry done? Well, they have slashed back prices like crazy. You can go on literally any website and there will be cheap offers. Places like Expedia, Hotwire, Costco, and AAA. You can also book direct on places like Carnival Cruise Lines and American Airlines. Almost everyone and everything is slashing prices, and I'm already excited to hop on that train and travel for a good price. Plus, if you're not homesick already, this is a good opportunity to plan what to do when things return back to normal. So, today I want to go over 3 kinds of deals I would book today so I could lock in some great rates and still get to enjoy the world. So my first one is cruise lines. Cruise lines have been implementing strict policy as well as working closely with the CDC and WHO to ensure the health, safety, and comfort of guests and crew. Obviously, Carnival had made a real bad reputation on how they handled the coronavirus at the beginning. However, I just can't help but give them a second chance, especially with their low prices. I have always wanted to go on Carnival's largest ship, Panorama. The ship itself has a skyride that takes you over the side of the ship to see the ocean. It also has a water park with slides fun for all ages. Then, after a long day, relax at the Cloud 9 Spa. If you would believe it, your health insurance will cover your massage. Make sure you check your coverage before doing it though. Under my health plan, I normally get reimbursed for the spa days. If there was something that I love, is the food. You get the dining rooms that always have something special on the menu. My favorite included place to eat is Guy's Burger Joint. He does his patties with justice, cooked fresh on the grill with all kinds of delicious toppings like bacon, cheddar cheese, and even fried jalapenos. That place is worth going on for any cruise. Just thinking about this makes me want to book something right now. The next place I would book a vacation is the great outdoors. People are generally wanting to stay away from the major crowds, but also want to take advantage of the low cost of travel right now. A nice retreat to the mountains or get away to something majestic and serene. I've always wanted to go to a resort like Aspen. This is just based on the movie Dumb and Dumber.
Someplace warm. A place where the beer flows like wine. Where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. I'm talking about a little place called Aspen.
Right now, you can get a flight from Los Angeles to Denver for $99 round trip. That's so cheap. Then, if you book through Expedia, you can package a car for $200 extra for 1 week and drive to Aspen. That seems like an amazing offer. Once there, relax and enjoy the sights. I would take a brewery tour and sample all their microbrews. The other thing I love doing is shopping for cool things that you normally won't find in urban settings. There are many little knickknacks, gems, art, sculptures, and art that you will love to do. The last thing I would do is rent water vehicles and tandem bikes and just experience another part of being in the great outdoors. I got water jet skis once and it tossed me overboard once. I've rented an ATV. I've also been horseback riding, white river rafting, and all those fun activities, so I highly recommend it. I highly also suggest that you try them out. Oh, they are so much fun. You might never know, you might just find that girl of your dreams out there. The last place I would book is traveling abroad. I've always wanted to go to Australia to see what a whole new continent is like. Right now, you can get a flight for only $1,300 round trip, where it would normally cost you over $3,000. I would love staying in Australia. I would love staying in Sydney. I bet even the hotels will be at a good price right now. While there might not be as much to do because of the lockdowns, I would still go to Australia for the experience. I would pick a nice hotel and just relax. Then I would just do whatever is available in Sydney. I would book something for maybe January and hope that the situation would get better by that time. Well, these are the 3 kinds of vacations I would do while thinking about booking a vacation. I would do this now because of the savings plus the experiences will most likely be worth it. I guarantee that even with all those closures, it will be equivalent to the dream vacation you've been planning on. Take a few pictures with the sites. This way, it won't be crowded with people and it'll be with the clear blue sky. Perfect. The best websites to book today is through Expedia. They help you search for some of the best prices and you can literally triple dip through Expedia. They give you the Expedia points, the credit card cash back, and even the miles with your airline. I actually use this site to book everything. I highly suggest that you try it too. But make sure you smash that like button first if you haven't done it yet. I know I say this 1,000,000 times, but traveling the world every year requires websites like Expedia to help us plan, budget, and book our vacations. Expedia helps us to save money and gives us a peace of mind when we go traveling. That way, it helps me become a millionaire much faster. Using Expedia is also one of my secret weapons to be able to travel the world every year. I hope you enjoyed some of the vacations I'm looking at, and I hope you will love them too. If you have any questions about anything I talked about today, make sure you join me and the many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group. I have made many resources and tools available over there to make sure you're on track. Make sure you also leave a comment below and ask the YouTube community your thoughts on this topic. As always, thanks for watching this video, and until next time. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.